Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on new challenges and adventures. Take a look at this 2019 Ram 1500 Bighorn Crew Cab in billet silver. With automatic headlamps, front fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, wheel-to-wheel side steps, tow package, power 8-way driving seat, steering wheel mounted shift controls, 43,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, remote start system, front and rear rubber floor mats, rear folding seats, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D6256.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.